Hi everybody, this is going to be a real quick video on elements, compounds, mixtures, and solutions. Again, these are all things that you should be familiar with. What's an element? Can you give me an example? Think about it. Sure, something like carbon might be an example, or nitrogen might be an example, or let's say iron is an example. Sorry, my pencil's not working. Iron is an example, or copper might be an example. Gold, silver, these are all examples. Chromium, these are all examples of elements. All right. Now, elements, where are they? Well, the elements that you're going to be working with are on the periodic table. All right. Bottom line is, these are all the elements. If it's not here, it's not an element. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, so if it appears on the periodic table, it is an element. Okay. Now, what about a compound? What's a compound? Well, a compound might be something like water, or salt, or sugar. Let's try that again. All right, as an example, these are all compounds. Guys, what are these? Methane gas. Right? What these are is these are a combination, a chemically bonded combination of two or more. Here are two, and here are more. Two or more elements put together. Right? And they are chemically bonded together. That's a compound. So how does that differ from a mixture? Because I could have salt water. Well, salt water is really salt plus water. They're separate. Sugar water, C6H12O6 plus H2O. Right? They're still separate things. Right? I could put sand in water. And there you can see the difference where they're separate things. That's a mixture of sand and water. All right? It's not chemically bonded together. Right? They're actually separate things. Milk is an example of a mixture. It's got lots of stuff in it. Okay. What's a solution? Oh, I could give you lots of examples. A solution would be something where you have, again, it's a mixture, but the difference here is you can't see anything in it. So, for example, think of, let's say, soda. Coca-Cola, for example, or my wife's favorite, Dr. Pepper. Right? Can you actually see the different stuff in there? Can you see the caffeine? Can you see the food coloring separate from the water? Can you see the sugar separate from the water? Right? So a solution essentially is a homogeneous, G-E-N-E-O-U-S, a homogeneous mixture. Right? That is an example of something that is a solution. All right. So, in summary, an element is a single item that's on the periodic table of the elements. A compound is a molecule made up of two or more elements that are chemically bonded together. That part is important, that they are chemically bonded together. All right, because a mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compounds that are not chemically bonded together. And a solution is simply a mixture, but it's homogeneous, meaning a mixture that appears uniform to the eye. All right, there's a short worksheet for you to work through to make sure you get these concepts down. If you have questions, please feel free to see me in class or before or after school. All right, see you in class. Have a great day.